part I like about it best. People hear it and they look at it, and then when you open the hood, it just blows them away. It's a 1938 Willys pickup. I found it north of LA in California. Brought it home in '93 and started working on it. This build is honestly the first time I put a Hemi in anything.
Okay.
But I ran into a guy who's owns his own business, Missile Enterprises, just by chance, and he said, "I'd love to build that truck for you, but it's got to have a Hemi in it."
Is that right?
Yeah. But Steve is a Mopar guy. He builds rocker arms and dry sump pumps and systems for Hemis, 392s, and the new style boat. So I felt I was in good hands, and we built a new chassis. I kept the Willys straight axle.
Okay.
It's a 38 Willys straight axle. Adapted the Ford, adapted the spindles, or actually Willys spindles, to the Ford disc brake. It's a 577 all aluminum Hemi with a 727 brainless torque flight and a fabricated 9-inch on our own chassis. Made our own stacks.
I like how they're angled out, you know, it just adds that nice little, that touch.
I'll tell you why we did that. The engine's far enough back that I can't come straight up.
Oh, okay.
So we did the stacks the same angle as the hood. Yeah, we moved it back 4 inches, and we moved it down in the chassis as far as we could, but we got her in there.
So Ron, tell me a little bit, how long have you been coming to the Holley Hot Rod reunion?
I came to the first one the year that it went up to Columbus. I'm from Ohio, so we went to that one and we liked it. We've been coming down here ever since. Yep, it's a great meet, great people, good time.